okutongoza oku kwakorwa ha Rotary House ninga yuba kumanyanka Children Peace Park muri Kiyanja muri Mbarara City. Dr. Stella Choyagara ari kurebya abana bari kuzarwa hirware ruhango ryambarara yagira ngo irwaro niryakira abana bari kurenga mu 13 buri mwaka kandi abana nibabane betago bujanjabi obwamani.
What has happened is that establishing this equipment in addition to caring for patients, of course it has had significant impact on caring for patients. Their quality of care has improved, their survival has improved. We've reduced our mortality from where we were, which was about 13%, to an average of 9%. And sometimes of all admitted children. And for newborns, we admit 3,000 newborns in a year.
Najyangu no ministry y'byamagara eriyo neyombeka unit empango eyaberere kungana bija kubane betaga byoma nka ventilators ebyo kwera berere okwisiaje.
It's actually going to be the biggest in East Africa and Central Africa. So
ejirwani ningo kwita kwito kuno ko murundo kwa katana hatiya kandi ainde ugambiro mu Rwanda zitukozire twayirinzire miliyoni nkanshanju ni 5 izo nikadora ikamitwaro nkebiri necweka kwendangu zituyambe okubona ba sponsors kombeka yerwaro nanka unit yitoje inagamba
za kwiruka kilometers 5 11 turaba mu tawuni turabantare tugaruka aha abandi baraba mu tawuni baza Eden bagaruka barabaha kosi abijaha dena bana baguza mu hako kakora baraba Buffalo bashimira kama mo stage nabo bagaruka ha Rotary Club of Mbarara.
Dickson Nandinda manager wa Radio West kandi kwatanise na TV West abarukushajiko kwiruka oku hinebi yatugambera
Radio West na TV West kandi twegere kugaruka omuguru yo kwatanisa na Rotary Club of Mbarara omuguru yo kwirukangirira abana na mnonga abo kuzarwa batakiri akuba okuchondo zokozirwe mukoreka ngo abana binje nubapfa abo kujya ngo umwe bazarwa oshango umwe batakire imbere bazarwa mu taranongi kandi oshango bundi amarwaro gatine bushoborozi kwasa kurebera abana babwenu itweni no tukugira tukajya ngo abana bihanga ejeno responsibility yitunga Radio West na TV West kureba ngo bazarwa bagira amagara marundi kandi babasa kushira babagira abantu bo mugasho mu ihangariyanye ya Uganda eriyanye cyakare
okweta bo mukwiruko oku no kugura vesta bwe mutware 2 kandi aba nibaronda billion emwe yo kubasa kumarizo mu rumogu. Adolf Ayreka, TV West.